everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Toronto Pearson Airport Enterprise, and we're going to take a look at some of the cars they have available in the upgrade selection here. We'll start off with that. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and give the video a quick like if you want to see more of these. Got a couple BMW 330i's, we got a Polestar, Mercedes C300, and this is where they usually park some of the upgrades. And I think that's actually a 2 Series BMW. 3 Series BMW. That's probably the X2 there. And we got another one here. Guessing the X1. And I haven't seen a lot of Mustangs lately. Most of them are on the road. We got a 5-liter black Mustang convertible. C300 Mercedes. A220. Another 3 Series BMW. And I just want to quickly show you guys this really nice Velocity Blue 5-liter Mustang with a blackout package, so everything's blacked out. The 5.0's blacked out, the wheels are blacked out, and it's even got the blacked out spoiler on the back. This would be a really nice one to have. So this class you can actually book on the website. Maybe hard to find availability, but oh yeah, it's got the black roof too. Just to quickly show you, it's yeah, fairly standard Mustang interior, and actually it almost looks like those are cloth seats. I don't know if that's possible in the 5-liter, the GTs or not. Anyway, let's just continue on here. This is probably where they park most of the upgrades. 3 Series, we got a Volvo, like a V60 maybe. Kia Soul, a couple Mercedes C300s. BMW, Ford Escape. Another X3. Just along the other side, a bunch of the returns. There's a Maxima here. Haven't seen one of those in a little bit. A couple more Jeeps, a 300. Sorry about the lighting. It looks like some of the lights are off here. But let's just kind of go around. There's more of the returns kind of jammed in here. Hyundai Venue. And let's just have, okay, so we got some more Mercedes, oh boy, Mitsubishi, it's been a long day. We got a RAV4, we got a Hyundai, is that a Tucson? I'm not sure what that is. Got a Mazda, Kia, and we got a couple Ford Escapes down there. Santa Fe, RAV4, we got another Maxima, and maybe Ultima, the sunroof, a couple 300s. Oh, we got another Maxima. I like this burgundy color down here. That's kind of nice. And the Maximas here in Toronto are all of the SL trim. And we'll just continue on with some of the, over in the reserve category here. Got a Chevy Colorado Z71 or Z71 package. And I got a Jeep Compass. Got a minivan, Pacifica. And we just got another Escape. Got an Explorer, a couple Camrys, a RAV4. This Explorer's got a bit of wear on it. I wonder if it's maybe just a little bit higher mileage. Yeah, I was going to take a look inside, but it might be a little bit higher mileage. Alright, so I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Thanks again for watching. Just a reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and give the video a quick like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.